A major health insurer in Oregon announced it is sunsetting most of its insurance plans starting next year. Today, we're hearing from one of the hundreds of thousands of Oregonians who will be losing their Providence Health Plan coverage. Jake Holter brings us that story from the newsroom. Jake?
Yeah, Tim, the woman I spoke with says she was blindsided by the news and is worried about her coverage costs going forward.
It was completely out of the blue, very disheartening.
Chelsea Blanda was shocked to discover that she'll be searching for a new insurance carrier next year after Providence announced Wednesday that it is getting out of most insurance coverage, citing costs and regulatory pressures.
How a company can just think of themselves and their own profits like that and not the amount of people that are going to be affected, it's really upsetting.
Providence Health Plan's membership in Oregon is more than 420,000, with another more than 13,000 in Washington. Providence President and CEO Eric Wexler wrote in a statement, quote, "We are doing this because changes in the healthcare environment, including state and federal regulation, have made it increasingly difficult for regional, not-for-profit health plans like PHP to thrive." Wexler continued by saying that the consolidation of the country's larger insurance companies have left them in a, quote, untenable situation. For context, Providence Health Plan reported a net loss of more than $100 million last year. But that still puts people like Chelsea in a tough spot.
Our prices went from 15 cents to over $100, $120, and now we're looking at potentially $200 to $300, and that's a lot more than we can really afford.
Right now, Providence is working to keep Medicare Advantage members covered and says it will help individuals and employers figure out alternatives.
It's not like we make that much money, but we make too much that we can't afford to be on OHP, and I'm unemployed right now.
And again, coverage for PHP members will continue through 2026, but the health plan will not renew or offer employer group or individual/family plans for 2027. Tim?
Huge change. Jake, thanks.